this is Manohar watching the Pharma Mind, dose of education and research, higher education shows today. We are talking about how to increase your mindset and focus concentration on your study in lockdown period for the long hours. Put the comment under the video with a Pharma Mind, and I am gonna pick one of the most interested comment and the flash it up on my next video. And also remember to the press that the subscribe button and the click the bell icon is very important for you to get to know when we post your next video. So today masterclass is on to Pharma Mind, set and focus on the long hours. But before that, look at the real problem. I get bored and feel sleepy. I keep checking my phone. This subject is just boring. I sit and read for the more than 2 minutes. Online lecture is not understanding. There is which there all of the point read study problem in a lockdown. I tell you the secret people that are don't feel any of this the problem. But the question is now, do we become like that? Every student is to the studying outside the classroom or the lecture there, but the probability not to the distance learning as to the online option. Working from home can take the quite a lot of the adjustment, so it's the useful to have the some practice tips that will be make the transition to the different style of the study the straightforward as to the possible. The first point is a schedule, planning a better study schedule. Plan a schedule of the balanced activity. Plan enough time for the studying each the subject. Study at the set time and it is the consistency place. Study as soon as after your class as possible. Utilize odd hours during the day for the studying. Limit your study time. Do not more than 2 hours on any of the courses of the one time. Dead time, don't set up it. The second one is organize your study space. Everyone has a different home environment, so it is difficult to make hard and fast rules. However, there are the certain basic guidelines about the study space that should apply to most students. Try to keep whatever study space you have the net and the tide. This will help to the stay calm and the feel well organized and make it less likely that you are the loose thing. If you can change your workspace to provide it some variety, but avoid it trying to work when lying down or in other situation where the reading and the writing too trickly or even the posture and the uncomfortable or the scratched. If you share the space with other people, try to find the quiet area and let the others know you are the working, so they can keep the disturbance to a minimum. The third one is avoided distraction. Procrastination is always the enemy of the effective study, and it is the even bigger danger when the working at the home with the temptations of the social media. For a start, move your phone some distance away so it is not instantly available. Use it as a trait when you are the achieved the particular task rather than you are the constant competition. You could be tried using a Pomodoro method where you work from the 25 minutes or the so that allow the yourself 5 minutes the break and the phone time. Noise the cancelling headphones maybe help you concentration, or you could the listen some instrumental music. The fourth one is a stay in touch. Pretty much everyone will be staying in the touch with the friends and the family using Zoom or some other video tools. But don't forget you can also maintain contact with the other students in your classes or doing the same courses as using social media, video link, email or the voice calls. You can share ideas, discuss assignment, test each other or just share the experience. It is likely that your teachers will also be available remotely, so do the contact them with the questions about your study. They may also be willing to set the mark your work. Don't forget to check your college's website on your regular basis for the update and information. Follow their guidance. The fifth one is make the daily timetable. It is easy to slip into the situation at the home where work and the leisure become the blurred because there are no changes to the environment and the home people noise of the other things that the signify and the change to the activities. Work can the slip into the leisure time, and the leisure can the leak into the time when you should be studying. Sixth one is think about how you learn best. The different students prepare the different method of the learning, so it is worth thinking about what work best for you. For the some the simple questions answer format of the flashcard enables the easy the self-testing, while for the other the more visual form of the mind map is great at the showing how the various aspects of the topic or the linked. Another tips is if you are the having to the read or the make notes for on the textbook, check the start and the finish the chapter. There is often the summary of the some short. The seventh one is a practice. We are the never taught how to concentrate on your studies for the long. Parents just tell us abhyas kar, but how do I do it? Attention is a muscles and like the very other muscles in our body, it's required training. Concentration is a cultivated habit, and I will teach you how to develop it through the practice. So here's what I want to do today. Take out the 10-minute slot where you can be alone with a comfortable space without any distraction. It is only 10 minutes, so you can do it easily. Finish all your the eating and the drinking beforehand. Keep your phone and the laptop outside the room perfectly on the silent. Since this is your first session, let us start with your favorite subject. Take one textbook, notebook, few pens, and also keep one extra sheet on paper on their side, which will be your distraction list. Take a timer on the clock with you. Once you are ready for the inside the room, the comfortable on your the chair and table, keep your books near you. The distraction leads you can the side and the switch over the timer and end of the 10 minute. Close your books and come out the room. The last one is to keep the mind sharp and focus to work your the body. First is the diet and hydration. Eat the healthy food and the drink lots of the water. No junk food, the excess the sugar which makes us the sleepy. Second one is the sleep. Sleep is a brain food. I know many of the feel that you can manage the less sleep, but what if I told you that this is the ill sleep the way the sharpen your focus and the concentration. The good night, the sound sleep for 7.5 hours at the day. Third one is the exercise. The brain requires the oxygen, which is the blood the bring to it. So healthy blood flow is the great of the brain to the function effectively. There is one of the more easy way to the keep your mind sharp and focused all of the time. It is to the cultivated the habit of being the presence in the small things. Some people call it meditation, some call it the mindfulness, but don't let the big words scare you. All means is that when you the talking to your friends, keep the phones away, and when you the eating your food, don't watch TV or the talk to anyone. I hope you will follow. There is a tips. Prepare yourself for the studies in the pandemic period. Good mindset in the stable state of the mind, and it is stable. Whatever you do, keep your mind fresh and also boost your brain. A good mindset is a must. It is the possible only when your the mental health is good. So performance as you the watching in this the video, and it will help you to be the mentally healthy. Okay, now I will end this the video, or you will feel like heavy dose. If you like this the dose of the good mindset, do like this the video and subscribe to keep the watching new video. Please click the bell icon. Stay happy and stay with the Pharma Mind, dose of education and research. Thanks for watching.